Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Chomik hosts many user files including wallpapers and compressed image packs. Files commonly range up to 50 MB per file and vary by uploader. Create a free account and confirm your email to access protected folders and downloads. Sign in to see download options and folder structures. Use resolution filters like 1920x1080 or ratio 16:9 to find properly scaled wallpapers. Note copyright and uploader notes before downloading or sharing images. Start by using the site search with accurate keywords and resolution filters like 1920x1080. Browse uploader folders and open image previews to confirm file quality and resolution. Check the file type label for JPG, PNG, or compressed zip and RAR archives. Note the listed file size in MB before downloading to manage storage and bandwidth. If a preview is low quality, skip that uploader and check other folders for higher resolution images. Always read uploader comments for context and usage tips. Choose between direct download links or the site downloader depending on your account plan and limits. For compressed archives, download the zip or RAR file and extract using a compatible tool on your device. Verify extracted image resolutions and file sizes before applying any wallpaper to avoid scaling issues. On desktop, open display settings and set the wallpaper, cropping to maintain the 16:9 ratio when necessary. On mobile, save the image to your gallery and use your launcher to set the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.